In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphic settings on the Heroes of Might and Magic Olden Era game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the game on your device, and once you are taken into the home page, you can start your new game directly, or you can go into the settings to configure your graphics. Now first you will be taken into the General tab. Click on Video, and now make sure to choose the correct resolution for your display unit. The VSync option should only be turned on if you notice screen tears within your game, so leave it off to begin with. Then within anti-aliasing, you have various different options. Try using TAA first. And now for the maximum FPS option, you can either turn this off or you can set it exactly to your display unit's refresh rate. There is also the option to enable or disable bloom effect. Keep it on at the beginning. Now underneath you have the quality presets, which will change the quality of the textures, the reflection, the shadows, as well as super sampled ambient occlusion. You can also try the preset and try using the highest available first. After choosing the highest available preset, you can go back and start a new game to see how your settings feel. If you are satisfied, you can continue forward, or you can come back to customize. Try turning down the quality for the shadow, as well as reflections, before you try reducing the preset. You can also try changing the anti-aliasing type and turn off the bloom effect to get a better performance. After trying a few of these things, you will be able to find an optimized balance of performance and quality within your game. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize your graphic settings on the Heroes of Might and Magic Olden Era game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.